I don't have a problem. You're telling me that my daughter-in-law hospital me disqualify block the other person disqualify because I don't know who is that person that him come for my picture. Come on, man. Come on. Honestly. Listen, me hear that Shannel in the hospital. Me see. Me call. She no want answer nobody. What me can do, I cannot force Shannel. Alright? We call her, she don't want to answer nobody. You understand? So, the end of the day, she's in good hands. The doctor them take care of her. I am not a doctor. Right? So she's in great hands. Me know she vex. But what me do is, me tell her baby father, when me know it two of them now left, me tell him baby father say go and look for him baby mother because him baby mother is in the hospital. You understand? Right? At the end of the day, me no know warm to Shannel. I go up. Yeah, pull it for me. I go up at the house yesterday. I pick up Jagger. Because Jagger end up I go through some things where then some rumors where they must spread on the media and it a cause problem with him work. Right? People pan road are troubling when in their workplace. People them are fast with him. People want inner things with him. So I take Jagger and I come down with Jagger. I don't know what go on, you know. But he just call me and I said, okay, then I'm my son and I go for him. When I go there, Shannel shooting things them. When I go there, right? Because she did there at the hospital before, you know. And the doctor tell her, say she can't come back certain time because Shannel short of blood. Shannel short of blood. If you notice, Shannel always a pick her lip. She pick her lip till it all bleed. You get me? So she have a problem. She have a what you call that again? Royalty, good morning. Good morning, Royalty. Blessed morning to you, Royalty. Right? She have a, you understand me? Alright. Low blood account. Yeah, low blood count, right? So the doctor did tell her that she must come back. But she leave the hospital and she never did like do it. So she go home. When I got there yesterday, she put out the things in. Right? I send you something. Okay. I have to go look on the pinky. Wait, send me on WhatsApp. Right? No. After that, no. Una tell me say she there hospital. She there hospital. Me I call, she not answer. Right? But the doctor did tell her say she need blood. She need blood. Right? So that is what happened right now. So the end of the day, I tell her baby father, go down there and go check on Shannel. You understand? Yeah. And that is it. Me I try for my blood pressure not go up. You understand? Because one thing I don't understand, and me I person I go end up and run up and down. Good morning. And me I person I make like run up and down. You get what me I say, right? So the end of the day, him have to get up and go deal with him baby mother. Me have my things to deal with. Me have people there so to deal with right now. Right now, me I try to even understand how this thing work because I new to a lot of little things. And me know, look here, right? You don't even get it, so. I mean, say me tell you nothing on social media because I just be a fight, me I get fight against and them something. So, me not even comfortable to talk to people again. Oh, and a big people, them too. Like it truth. Them are big people too, she. Over. Good morning. Honey, try and take it easy on yourself today. I will definitely do that. I will definitely do that. Good morning. How is your morning? What are you up to for today? Oh my God. She said, what am I up to for today? Alright, so today me just want to home and see some work. I go on with the work man them. That's what I'm up to today. I want to see work I go on. And the thing is this, the whole other side of the house over here, so I go pull down. So we're going in our smaller more part of the house. So today, maybe me just like cook outside, do an outside cooking with the whole family with they here. Oh, sorry. And basically just relax. What? Please, Annie, love to see that. Okay, baby, that's what's up. That's what's up. She tried to kill us. Oh God, Father God help me, no man. Come like that one and I go done. Because boy, I need a no song. You know, so for your sister, I believe because she tried to hurt herself enough time when she did around me. Also, one time, a man say, she and her done. One time, my son always say, man, him done. She always hurt herself. And sometimes she cut herself and just make her and her be red. She just cut her hand and just as Lego. Remember one time she do it and it made my heart drum to my mouth because it take a while to go find her in the bathroom. And I go there, her hand just whole heap the panic girl. Whole heap. I go what me do good in the hospital because I swear I have things to do here so guys. Come on. I spend so many time with the waste. So many freaking time. I just want to settle home now. I want to focus back. I want to go back on my YouTube channel, guys. These people need to take up them responsibility and do what they have to do for themselves. You understand? I don't have her family number. She mostly deal with me. You understand me? And me don't really have number. Is Tajay have a number? Me I go ask him. Hello. Wenji. I want to call Tajay now. Call Tajay because Shannel reached me. Shannel attempt to take her life, right? Tajay need to did there and figure out what go on with Shannel. Give her family number. You understand? Jump up like a baby father and go check on him. Make people look here, man. Tell him to get up and come check, but come find out what go on, you know, man. I know I say Shannel will do it for you. I believe if them there start say attempt to do that, I believe. He soon come. She have her mommy. Her mother have come from Spanish town. But her mother have a 2 grandbaby them. But me tell him if he leave a woman alone. If you don't want the lady, leave the young girl, the Shannel alone. You understand me? I talk to them. I want to feel like me not talk to them. Me not talk to him. Me talk to him. What me I gonna do? When I keep on, I say, me fi talk, me fi tell him it. I tell him the truth. Me tell him say the woman them I go hurt him. Me say, listen to me. The game where y'all play, y'all go get hurt. Choose. You understand me? I make the person move on. But remember, say no. Shannel headstrong, you know. Shannel tell her, say she nah left her baby father. You understand me? So now act like say me don't talk to her. I talk to them. Me talk to them. That is it. She have sense as well. As a big woman, she have sense. Right? I me talk to her over about the situation. Me understand what me I say? If what happened to the way them in the last half, I me take a stack of him and Jagger that gone back together. Look here, Seth, you don't want to come blame me for things because look here, me get blamed for this and nothing. Me get blamed when anything happen, I just me. Me depend this and me say, oh, no deal with me. You understand me? As a quint, the whole I want to drop down upon me. So if you don't want to blame me for Taji and Shannel too, man, you don't blame me. Me tired of people. There's no point. You can't see. Say me a struggle some of the time and me need a break. So just do what I do and say what I say. Me can't tap people from come here. Me can't tap the other young girl from come round me. What the problem? Am I problem? Everybody want to put on problem for me. Me bumbuckler. Man, don't allow me, man. Not talk about me. And me do this and me do that and me ray and me tay. Right? But the cast couldn't blame me for TT. As you don't blame me for TT, you don't want to blame me for Shannel. Me don't even know what to do. Right? And me can't touch the top girlfriend come around me. What the hell me fit do? Sometimes when the top put me in a things. Shannel at 20 a day old and Taji at 20 a day old. TT at 20 a day old. I be a big people them. One of the things them I want a break. Right now, me need to find out how the bumbleclot work, man. How it go, that's nobody now rob me. Me tired of people that rob me. So, I want to know how this go. I want somebody sensible can say, you know, say that and this and... You know what? When somebody go call my father, I think me need my father. I only somebody me maybe can't talk to no, because I can't even dare start talk to them like people upon me. I'm a kid for talk to my father. I think I'm only freaking somebody can, yeah. I take your number and can come give me. Too much people just tell you. How the hell will me have to do make them vex? You understand? Me go for Taji, she throw Taji things out the door. Me go for Taji and carry her come. Me can tap TT from come here, sir. Eh? Why me can tap TT girl like me? TT like me. Nothing wrong with that if a girl like me. Right? But you're not involved in that. Me not involved in their life. Then if you choose a woman, tap run up and down and I go back and forward with the woman them. Choose, me tell him that. You see me? I'm coming upon the media. Everybody I go talk to me about this thing, situation. Right? I know me. Make them deal with it. Them are big people. Me have my life to deal with, brother. Me a gears too much. Me spend so many time on people life. Me not spend none on my life. Me never pray myself. You understand me? Because I always run up and down for people. Always run up and down for people. For please fucking people. So me don't want to deal with nobody problem. Nothing wrong with that if me don't want to deal with nobody problem. I want to deal with my problem. Just tell daddy if he send him come. You can't find a real somebody can give me one good advice or me can talk to somebody good and you can talk to me real and say, yo, Tamika do this or Annie do that. You see me, you not come with one bag of real, one bag of tea. I don't want to see that. I want to see something now. I want to see something. I wouldn't eat me, I want to see something more to see. You see me? I want to see something. So I'm just done, bro. I don't want to hear people business. Right now, what him for do? If you jump up and come, right now, you know, that if you do, you know, jump up and come go down there, pack one little bag. Right now, see there, me still have to go check for Lando. Me still have to go check for Lando. Me still have to go make sure Lando good. You understand me? So you got me have Shannel for deal with, me have Lando for deal with, me have a house to deal with, me have myself for deal with, when me have to put myself together. Bro, you must look here. Me I want to look a human being right now. I can't bust my head, I go bust say, yeah. So no just slow me. Long me. I swear to God, no just slow me out. Lock off the comments. Me just don't want to hear about nobody problem. I swear, me don't want to hear about nobody problem. There's nothing wrong with that. Me is not a bad person if me say me don't want to hear about nobody problem. I don't think I'm a bad person if me said me just don't want to hear about nobody thing right now. What I want somebody to teach me something. I want to learn about some things what me don't know about. You understand? I want to come here so I can ask certain questions from people. I can say, yo, Annie, do this, do that, Annie. Right? There's something them I want to deal with right now. I don't want to hear about nobody problem. I'm tired. Thursday, Wednesday, I have to go deal with Lando though. Right? Wednesday, I have to deal with Lando thing. Right? Alex, oh, you this done, Bill? Yeah, more get somebody for go for that. Just deal with you. Fix the haters, we love you. Oh, you can't take up a chicken and run. I want to catch you. I want to catch you.
He did that on the table, put it on the table and play car.
Oh God, give me, he done bite you already. Give me, man, he done bite you, already. A pussy eat Alex chicken. A pussy eat Alex chicken and road, and you need to. Oh, you do that? Okay, and you need to turn on your subscription and can't put the comments to sub only. Okay.